Namaste to one and all. I am Dr. Agilavendan. I am orthopedic consultant from Apollo Vanagaram Hospitals. I am very happy to congratulate every one of you for your successful getting over of the apocalypse of this COVID-19, which is being struggled by even the well-developed countries like US and UK. I am very happy and very proud to be an Indian to come over this COVID-19 pandemic. And I also want to highlight some of the orthopedic symptoms which are being faced from our patients, because for the last 1 year, due to the fear, they are not coming to hospitals or not checking when they are having some persistent pain. Quite unusually, we have found some cases, and I wanted to highlight that there was one simple persistent pain in the back for one of our colleagues, and she was ignoring herself and she didn't check it. Finally, when we did an MRI, there was an infective spondylolischitis which was causing a impending paralysis symptoms. So how severe is this? Be careful. You should not ignore any persistent pain. Number 2, if you are having any numbness or tingling, you should automatically consult a orthopedic consultant. Why? Because it could be a severe symptom from either a nerve compression or from a compression of the spinal cord at the level of the cervical or lumbar or thoracic region. So better to consult and then clear it out. And if there are any swelling or any joint problems, it is better always consult a doctor to rule out if there is any septic problem or any other serious problems, so that you are not missing the emergency conditions. Left alone, in Apollo, we are having now daycare surgery. It is quite interesting that we are admitting the patients in the morning, making them walk and use the limb in the same day, and we are discharging them in the evening or next day morning. This is very rampantly happening nowadays because of the COVID pandemic and the cooperation from the patient as well as from the Apollo family. And we do have latest robots. As everyone know, Apollo is a pioneer in introducing everything, right from proton to everything. And we do have Da Vinci robot, Globus Excelsius robot, Locomat robot, and in fact, our ethical committee has given clearance for my own product, Bodhi OrthoBot, which is a robot which has been wonderfully done for lowering the radiation in orthopedic surgery. Hope you all will get benefit from our services, and we all will meet soon, and we will stay together and fight this COVID pandemic and become the world #1 country.